Oh yeah, the first entry I was right, 576 pips. Then the second entry should be 387. Guys, who said that you can't make pips using currency? Yo, what's popping again? What's popping again? Welcome back to Fast and Effects, home of blows, guys. Another episode, guys. And today we're going to do something different, quite different from our usual technical analysis part of the market, right? So first things first, guys, if you are new to this channel or if this is the first time you just came across this video, kindly stick around, gang, because this channel is always lit. And maybe if you find this video educative, then kindly smash that subscribe button only after watching the video to the end. And yes, if you find it interesting, maybe you can consider smashing that subscribe button and the like button. So today, guys, I'm going to talk about how to remain consistently profitable in this forex market. Of course, guys, we all know that this forex market is not something that you can come to and then make money out of it and then maybe get rich, right? So number one thing, guys, you need to first of all get the skills, right? So maybe you think that it's just maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month thing, and then you're good to go. Maybe after learning 1 or 2 things from maybe watching YouTube videos, either way from my YouTube videos, you think that you can become profitable. No, it's just a matter of having the skills and then come into the market every day to try to test if the skills are really worth or if the skills are working, right? So that is now bring us down to the consistency part of it, guys. You need to come to the market every day, guys. All right, you need to come to the market every day. At least try to throw in, your skills so that you can see if you can get something out of it, guys. Remember, when you do something consistently every day, that's when you get better at it every day, right? So that brings us to number 3, guys. It doesn't matter, even if you take a loss, maybe learn from it. You have to learn from the loss. So when you take a loss, for example, you just go back to the market. That is step back, guys. Then maybe after sometimes, maybe some hours, guys, come back to the market, then analyze the reason why you did take that L, right? So important, so that the next time you take that trade, maybe if you see such patterns repeat themselves, then you just stay away. You'll say, okay, the last time I took a loss because of this same setup, so today I'm not going to take that trade, right? So number 4, guys, you need to master one strategy. Do not jump into many strategy. Or let's say you just came across my channel, guys, and maybe you saw that the strategy that I'm using or I'm talking about is usually profitable. That is only according to me, guys. All right, remember, maybe you had a strategy before coming to this channel. Maybe you had that strategy. All right, so do not leave your strategy and start trading my strategy, guys. Okay, so just find that one thing, that one strategy that works perfectly for you. All right, remember, you don't need to have 100% strategy, because there is no 100% strategy, guys. Okay, probably even if you have a 40% winning rate strategy, guys, make sure that now the risk to reward ratio is great. Now that's number 5, of course. Risk to reward ratio. Practice good risk to reward ratio, guys. All right, let's say you risk 1, make sure your reward should be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I don't know, up to 14, whichever number you like, but make sure you risk less and then gain more. So that means whenever, for example, you can take 10 trades, you can lose 9, but then that one win can maybe bring back the losses, and then maybe you're profitable. Of course, that's now good risk to reward ratio. And number 5, I don't know, 5 or 6, guys, master the forex psychology, guys. All right, you need to know the psychological part of the market, right? Do what the other people are not doing. All right, sometimes you might be in the market, guys, but then let's say you did take a buy, but then you see after sometimes the market goes down against your direction. You should just relax, guys, because now when you know what you're doing, guys, after studying the market, all right, you can just go back then understand, okay, now this is what's up. The market is just breathing. Okay, let's say you also do breathe. Of course, you also do breathe, right? So you can't just hold your breath like that. The market can't just shoot up. The market has to go up, come down, right? So that's what I call by breathing. So when you say, okay, now of course I'm in a drawdown, but then okay, now the market is breathing, understand what's happening. do not panic. All right. Another thing about psychological part of the market, let's say, okay, now this market probably is showing us, for example, a higher high and a higher low, guys. But remember that now, for example, the daily time frame or the higher time frame is in a downtrend, but now the lower time frame is giving us something different. Stay away, guys. That's just another trap or a manipulation, guys. All right. So that's how the market behaves. So when now you see that the market is giving people maybe opportunities to buy, guys, think twice. Why is this market trying to give me a higher high while in the higher time frame there are lows and lower lows being formed and being broken? So now what you need to do is just, okay, I'm not going to take that trade. Let the bulls take the buys, right? But then now we'll just hold them with the horns, right? The bears might now get in. Now that is when you take a step back, then now wait until the bears now gives us an indication now that it's now time to take our sell entry. Just stay away. And now another part of the psychological thing about this market is, remember where you want to take your stop loss, guys. I mean, where you want to place your stop loss. Make sure that that should be your entry level. I don't know if you're understanding, right? Let's say you've just seen something, you've seen a good opportunity. Okay, now this is where I want to take. This level is where I should be taking I should be placing my stop loss. Think, guys. When you think and say, okay, this zone should be the place that my stop loss should be, then that means that should be the liquidation, or I don't know. Yeah, that should be the liquidation place that now this market movers of the bank, they know that this is where you're going to take or to put your stop loss. So that means that the market will go back to that zone, then stop out everybody, right? Remember, that is where you just took your stop loss. I mean, you place your stop loss. So the market movers will know that, okay, this zone, many people have their stop loss in place, so they will go back, then stop them out, including you, then now go to your direction. So instead of taking that, making your stop loss in that zone, make sure that that zone should be the zone that where you do take your buy entry, guys. All right. I don't know which number, yeah. And then another, I don't know which number, 9, 8, I don't know. Either way, the next point is, guys, treat this joint as a business. Of course, that is a cliche, everybody talks about it, but then yes, it is a business. Just remember, sometimes business is not always booming every day, and right. So sometimes we have bad days where the business is not doing good, right? So so just accept it. Yeah, when you take a loss, accept it, gang. Accept you have nothing to worry about, right? Remember the first point, I don't know, the second, I say that we will learn from those mistakes that we do take in the market. Another one, stay away from the noise, gang. Stay away from the noise, right? You can't just let's say you did your analysis, then okay, now other people are saying, okay, your analysis is telling you that now you should buy, but when you see other people, that is now when you join other communities, others will be saying sell, right? But then your analysis was saying buy. But why should you panic and then follow? Maybe you close your beautiful trade, then then now you see trade at the end of the day going towards your anticipated direction, right? Another thing, I don't know, don't kill me, guys, don't bash me, avoid those indicators, avoid those indicators. Do not rely on indicators 100%, guys, all right? Of course, I don't know, usually people talk about the indicators do work, the powerful, the EMA, the blah blah, the SMA, the Bollinger Band, I don't know, damn it, guys. But remember, these indicators, they usually just gives you the signal or when the market has already done that movement. The indicators do not tell you okay, now enter. I don't know. Do not bash me, guys, but that's the reality part of it, right? Okay, even if you use the indicator, no problem. There's no problem in that. But then add more confluence, guys, before just relying on that one indicator or whichever indicators that you're using. You have to add more confluences, right? Do not just rely purely on the indicators. They will kill you, gang. They will kill you. Don't just kill me when I talk about relying on the indicators on the comment box below. Don't kill me, guys. But that's the fact. let's call spade a spade, guys. Indicators will really mess you up because those joints are really lagging. They just make they only give you indication after the prices move, right? So I advise the only indicator that you should be using, guys, are your eyes. All right, make sure that you are really good in seeing what the general market is looking like. You just interpret through seeing. You can see my chart over here, guys. It's so clean, nothing, right? And the next number, I don't know, understand the Japanese candlestick, gang, right? Just need to understand the Japanese candlestick. I don't know, go to babypips.com, revise. You need to learn the Japanese candlestick. These things, guys, of course, now I know most of you know what I'm talking about when I say the Japanese candlestick. Of course, all of you are traders, right? All right, then the next one, you guys need to withdraw your money. All right, withdraw the profit, guys. How will you get motivated? Withdraw those profits. Remember, let's say you made let's say you just made a certain percentage. At least you need to motivate yourself, right? Withdraw those profit, gang. Withdraw those profit. All right, let's say another one, you need to choose the best brokers, guys. Remember, those brokers are the ones sometimes killing you, right? We have brokers with bigger spread, guys. They're killing you, huh? Look for brokers that offer tighter spread, guys. Tighter spread. All right, let's see, I'm looking at this joint over here. This is NZD franc, guys. I'm up. That's why I've been talking and I'm seeing how it's moving. Already up. I'm up 66%. That is NZD. I have a video, guys, when I did analyze these pairs. Go check the video. I believe the title of the video was "Even an Idiot Can Make Money Using This Strategy." So that's just the same strategy that I just used to take this trade. The NZD Swiss franc, 66 pips. I'm up. USD JPY, guys, I gave out these joints. Still holding. Remember, I'm still holding. The USD JPY is up. It's up. 101, gang. 101 pips. So amazing. All right. I forgot something. Either way, remember, I've been holding this trade from last week. So that brings us to the next point. Be patient, gang. Let your trade cook. Right? You need to let your trade cook, gang. You need to let the trade cook. You don't need to take out the meat from the pan before cooking, gang. Alright? I don't know how it will taste. Alright? Be patient. Let your wins run. Alright? I have another one here, still misbehaving. USD CAD. USD CAD is really misbehaving over here. Price went to my side. Price went to my direction up to 46 pips, and now it's going. Maybe it's going to try to hunt my stop loss. Either way, no problem, gang. Even if it takes me out, no problem. That's the market, right? Either way, it's still in a downtrend, so I don't know why it's going up. Either way, I don't know. Maybe CAD just lost strength. I don't know. But even if it takes me out, remember, I'm still in profit in other pairs. GBP Aussie. Let's see how it's going. Alright, GBP Aussie, baby. And it smashed take profit. GBP Aussie smashed take profit. My first target was 479 pips smashed. And then the second entry was 302 pips smashed, gang. Woo! And if you don't believe me, guys, check out the video how I did analyze this GBP Aussie too. Even a newbie, even an idiot can make money using this strategy that I'm just using, right? There's that video. I think I should be leaving the link also in the description for you to watch out the strategy that I'm talking about, right? You can see this GBP Aussie has taken 2 weeks to play out and then just smashed that take profit, gang. That's amazing, all right? Alright, so I have nothing else to say either way. So yeah, I hope you guys did gain something from this talk. And yeah, so this is the right time, guys, to smash that subscribe button. You need to smash that subscribe button again. Look at this. So I'm just waiting to see how the NZD Swiss franc also plays out. All right. Of course, the this joint should be going all the way up to this previous low over here, but then I want to move, take my profit at 108 pips. I reached 48 pips. Now I'm up already 66. So that means I'm already more than 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, right? So I reached 48, then I'm going in for 108, which is amazing. Either way, I can. Of course, this joint should be falling up to 214, but then I don't want to hold so much. Oh, and then USD JPY is also having a potential of up to 500 pips plus. That is from the first entry. Oh, that is 387. Then the second entry, after it breaks this zone over here, should be probably 387. Right? Oh yeah, the first entry I was right, 576 pips. Then the second entry should be 387. Guys, who said that you can't make pips using currency? Who said that? I know most people usually say the currencies are usually slow, they can't give you those pips, but then you can see I've made over 1,000 pips, right? And I'm still going in for more. Just being patient, gang. I don't know. I'm not good in indices. That's why I do avoid them. But then I'm good in currency pairs, right? So guys, maybe you should also check out my Telegram channel link below that I usually send signals to. That's if you're interested. I don't charge anything, guys. So I usually give free content and I give free signals. So yeah, gang. So until next time, man. Adios, amigos.